Vector is fortunate to operate across a wide range of industries and organisations, and we have observed that many engineering-led industries are not struggling because they lack technology. They're struggling because the scale and the speed of change now exceed how organisations are structured to respond. And across organisations developing complex products, we hear the same message repeated over and over. We're investing more than ever, yet confidence in outcomes is falling. Why is that happening? And how is Vector changing to help? Let's go find out. Hi everybody, I'm Ian Cunningham for Vector GB. Welcome to this special edition of EnginEEring the Jigsaw, the pressures we see across industries. Across industries, fundamental technology transitions are accelerating. Targets are aggressive and often non-negotiable, while cost structures and development models were built for a different era. Organizations are forced to support complex legacy and next generation technologies in parallel. Complexity grows faster than organizations can absorb it. And organizations with a legacy have to maintain a brand, have to maintain a position in the market to make it even more difficult for them. And software is critical. It is now central to product value and differentiation, while many organizations are still structured around hardware-centric life cycles. System complexity itself continues to rise as safety, security, connectivity, and compliance converge. Meanwhile, these domains are typically managed separately across disconnected tools and teams. Regulation as well no longer validates decisions after the fact. It actively shapes architectures for systems in development. And supply chain instability plays a role, as that means supply chains feel fragile and harder to govern. Meanwhile, competitive pressure and investment risk are rising together. This means that risk is no longer managed project by project, it is enterprise level. Scale, speed, complexity, and confidence are no longer aligned. While across engineering-led industries, many organizations are focused on coping with the disruption that we've just described, at Vector, we've chosen to use this period differently. We see it as a moment for deliberate innovation, for focused efforts to help our customers regain control and confidence in what comes next. This means transforming from a tool provider into an ecosystem company. We are building a connected end-to-end environment instead of isolated tools to support the full product lifecycle. This ecosystem approach brings engineering disciplines together rather than keeping them in silos. It reduces fragmentation instead of adding just more disconnected tools into a disparate, heterogeneous picture. And we will deliver this to you via an innovation pipeline that delivers in continuous improvement rather than disruptive, infrequent leaps. AI and automation are going to be embedded across this ecosystem, not to replace engineering expertise, but to instead to act as a force multiplier to improve efficiency, quality, and predictability. The structure enables incremental, reliable innovation so that new capabilities can arrive regularly and confidence will be built over time. The goal is not just faster delivery of tool capability. Our goal is restoring confidence in decisions, in investments, and in outcomes. Our customers, as a summary, are not struggling with technology adoption alone. They are struggling with scale, speed, complexity, and confidence. Vector's transformation is about addressing these challenges structurally together with you, our customers. If you want to know more about Vector's transformation, look where you found this video for a link to more information or contact us. And our next special edition will cover how and when Vector will be enabling its products with artificial intelligence functions. Join me then. Really hope you've enjoyed this episode of EnginEEring the Jigsaw. Make sure if you give it a thumbs up in YouTube. If you have questions or ideas, then give us a comment down below the video. If you don't want to do it in public, if you want to keep it private, then drop us an email to our special email address, engineering.jigsaw@vector.com. You can find a link to our webpage with those contact details on in the description for this video. Make sure that you subscribe to get notified as we release new episodes and as Vector publishes its excellent and informative videos on its YouTube channel. Make sure to check out our playlists. We have our foundation episodes playlist and also intermediate level playlist as well, for you to binge and catch up with. We'll catch you for another episode soon. Goodbye.